Alright guys, welcome to another episode of Computer Applications. In this episode we're going to be focusing mainly on how to use tables. Now as you can see from the Google Docs menu, you can insert a table in there just by clicking, kind of drawing it out, and Google will put one in there for you. But for this project, and if you're really going to be using a lot of tables, I would suggest going to Google Drawing. Alright, go File, New, Drawing. Or you can get it from your Google Drive homepage. As you're looking at Google Drawings though, you have that same menu, right? You can insert the same table, but Google Drawing allows you to do a lot of different editing things and color things and changing a lot of different things that you can't do necessarily in Google Docs. Plus it makes it a lot easier for people to process and look at. All right, so a couple of different things with this, right? You notice if I highlight a group of cells or if I just click in one cell, right, there's this little drop-down box here. Right, this box allows you to select the borders of different cells that you have, right? So this one will select center lines, this one selects left, right, bottom, center lines running across the horizontal axis, right, top, all of the ones around it, all your interior lines, and every line, right? Let's look at that one first. Right, see it's highlighted every line? Well, that allows you to do different things now. Right, I can make those lines red, and I can make them bigger, and I can even make them dotted if I wanted to, right? And I can come down here and I can do something completely different, right? I can select all those lines again. Let's make these dashed, and let's make them orange, and let's make them massive, right? So you have these different options of different things that you can do. I mean, you can even do this with one box, right? You can make it all transparent. So now all these lines are gone, right? You can just select just the middle lines, right, and make those transparent. So now it looks like you've got one box, but it's actually 4 different ones. So you have those different options, different things that you can do there. You have, if you forget how many lines that you need to add, right, you can right-click, you can insert rows above, you can insert columns if you need to, you can delete rows, you can delete columns. You can also access those from the tables menu, right? You can insert and delete and everything there. If you have multiple rows or multiple cells, sorry, highlighted, you can go into the tables menu, you can merge those together, right? So now you've got one cell that's twice as big, and this will become really helpful when you're doing your tables assignment, right? And you can center things in there. You have all of the alignment buttons, right, like we have in Google Docs there as well. Now here's the really cool thing from my point of view. Once you have your table created, you've got it filled in however you want to, you can actually go to the edit menu, come down to your web clipboard, and you want to make sure that you click off the drawing first. You can copy the entire drawing to your web clipboard, come over to your Google Docs, go back to your edit menu, back to your web clipboard, and now your table is in your document. And it acts just like a picture, right? So you can wrap the text and you can move it wherever you want to. You have all kinds of different options, different things that you can do there as you're playing with that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn you loose so that you can explore and play around with those a little bit. As always, remember, if you've got questions or get stuck on something, let me know, or ask one of your peers and you can get it figured out.